Transform your laundry room into the organized, functional, and stylish space you've always wanted with a customizable laundry room solution from NewAge Products. Constructed from high-quality materials that are built to last, our expertly pre-configured sets let you choose the size and features that are right for you with a variety of precision-fit accessories. Available in different sizes and layouts, our extra-strong cabinet frames support the heaviest items with durable lacquered doors that resist scratches and chipping to retain their smooth, beautiful finish. The extra-deep 304 stainless steel sink and modern pull-down faucet options let you handle even the messiest tasks with ease, from bathing pets and after-project cleanups to hand-washing special wearables. Sort and fold clothes in comfort with our spacious countertops, engineered from natural granite for a sleek, classy addition to your cabinets. Granite's natural strength and smoothness provides a scratch-resistant surface that's easy to clean and stands up to detergents and daily use. Protect your walls while adding on-trend style to your space with a variety of elegant glass backsplash options. Floating shelves provide convenient open storage with quick access to supplies. They're also the perfect spot for flowers or other decorating touches. Add even more functionality to your laundry room with versatile accessories that make it easy to keep dirty laundry neatly tucked away, store detergents and cleaning products, air dry clothes without the wrinkles, and get ironing done in a flash. Our interior cabinet organizers and concealed bins keep storage areas neat and tidy with quick access to supplies. The easy-to-install LED lighting offers undermount and in-cabinet illumination that brightens up your laundry room for a more spacious feel. At NewAge Products, we make shopping easy with 3 ways to get your perfect laundry room. 1. Choose from our selection of turnkey pre-configured sets, complete with everything you need, including sink, faucet, countertop, handles, and millwork. 2. Start with individual cabinets and create a custom arrangement with your choice of cabinets, hardware, countertops, and accessories. 3. Or get free help from the award-winning team of NewAge design experts to build a personalized set, custom created to your exact space. Modernize your laundry room with the smart function and fresh style of laundry solutions from NewAge Products.